here the ANRABESS Slim Fit tank. I picked this one because I wanted a tank that wasn't like oversized. Definitely slimming. It is soft, it is stretchy, and it perfectly fitted without being clingy and without being too big, because I am gonna wear it under a sweater, a cardigan. It has this smooth rib texture, which you can see. It definitely gives shape, but it still moves with you. I like the high neckline and the Racerback cut. The Racerback cut is going to make it look sleek enough for everyday wear. Workouts, layering under a cardigan, or layering under a flannel. Why I chose this one, the rib knit, hugging the shape without squeezing it. It's comfortable, yet it's slimming. It's versatile, and I love the stretchy, soft fabric. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. It is simple, but perfect. Affordable, stylish, and really does feel more like a high-end product than the price tag suggests. This one is definitely a must-have layering piece that you'll really reach for all year long. Probably gonna wanna get it in many colors, but so far, and I also think that it's true to size. So for me, I definitely bought an XL, which I could have sized down a bit, but with washing it, I'm sure that is going to be just perfect. And I'm not gonna dry this, I'm just gonna hang to dry. But I do recommend.